Okay, I had a small revelation or an idea. I was not really satisfied with the idea that the fruit snack went to the water layer. It didn't make sense to me. And so I began to wonder if perhaps my eyes had deceived me and it didn't float back to the water layer and instead sank down towards the honey layer. Because there's also something I can see. I don't know if you can see it. Again, it's difficult to see. Down here at the bottom, there's a disturbance in the honey layer. I think it's our gummy fruit carrot. I think I couldn't see it because it was orange. So what I'm going to do is try again, and I have a purple grape gummy. And I think if a grape gummy were to drop to this level that I would see it clearly. So I'm going to drop it and see what happens. I was correct. Okay, I made a mistake. I thought the gummy had disappeared in the water layer and I couldn't see it because it was too dark. What actually happened was it drifted down into the lower layers and I couldn't see it because it was orange and it blended in. So I don't know if you can see it because the syrup is so dark, but right here, you can see a dark spot here. That is our grape fruit snack. And I'm almost certain that given time, it will join this small thing you can see here that I'm pretty sure is a gummy carrot. We'll check back in a minute. Hypothesis was correct. The fruit snack did not float up into the water. It sank down into the corn syrup. You can see it here now that it's dark and not a light orange color that was kind of invisible. And I believe it's been about 20 minutes and it's given it time to slowly sink through the corn syrup. I think with time it would start to sink into the honey layer because that's where I think the carrot ended up. Do you want to know how I knew that I needed to rethink what happened in my experiment, that maybe I had interpreted something incorrectly? Does anyone know how to make a fruit snack? You mix a lot of sugar and a lot of gelatin into water and then you bake all the water away, leaving a dense sugary chew. Well, where are the dense sugary liquids in our column? Honey? Syrup? They're at the bottom. So I should have expected my gummy snack to fall to the bottom. And when I came back and re-looked at my data, I found that my original observation was wrong and that my hypothesis about it being dense like syrup was correct.